Alright, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Thursday, October 9th. I lost around 2,500 plus 2,700, or let's round. Alright, so let's do 830 times 3 plus 2,500 because of that. Lost 4,000, let's just say $5,000 trading the Nasdaq. So I'm going to go over the trade right now. Lost 830 per Lucid account and 500 per Tradify account. I'm going to go over that right now. If we look at, let's look at what Nasdaq is doing, right? Let's see how Nasdaq is all the way down here. Let's look where ES is. About to take out these internal lows, right? We did push up. Now let's take a look on the higher time frame on ES and let's see what ES took out, right? Because this is actually like insane. London and Asian highs and tapped into an unfilled 50-minute, formed an SMT at Asian highs and London and then dumped, right? Now, my plan was we are in a bullish 4-hour gap. The hourly, also bullish, closed above this body. 15-minute, choppy. I can't read this. I'm not going to lie to you. I can't read the 15-minute. I can't read the 5-minute. I can read the 3-minute. On the 3-minute, we tap into a bullish gap and close to the upside. This 1-minute candle right here at 929, by the way, basically closed here and then last 2 seconds flipped to the downside. So don't say, oh, why didn't you go break even? I had no time to do anything. Price dead ass flipped last second and went straight to stop loss, right? So entered long, tapped into a 4-hour, 15-minute and hourly are bullish. Tapped into a 3-minute bullish gap right here. All I want to see is a bullish closure above this. We got a 3-minute bullish CISD and a also 1-minute reaction to the upside. That's all I wanted, especially at 928. Gave me the bullish reaction I wanted. Stops were below this low. TP at London highs. Let's take a look at what Nasdaq does at 929 and 930. Nasdaq dumped 23 points. Let's take a look at what ES does from 929 to 930. We take out London and Asian highs on ES. So ES pumped at 931, right? ES quite literally pumped to my take profit while Nasdaq dumped. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with the market. I'm usually not one to complain about price action. You guys know I quite literally never complain about price action. But when one indice just goes the complete opposite direction of the other, that is just sloppy price action. And those days, you're meant to stay away from the market. Unfortunate that I was in a trade while it happened. Very stupid. Kind of sucks. Nothing I can do about it. I was very confident we were going to take out London and Asian highs. I have them marked out here. As well as all-time highs resting above us. I was ready to close at any bearish SMT as well. But we didn't even get that opportunity. Price dumped on Nasdaq while it pumped on ES. You can see this low right here, 927. Didn't get swept until 935, which is all the way down here. This is when ES, while Nasdaq made this move, ES did this. So actually just stupid as shit ever. Unfortunately, we took a loss. Like I said, 500 on Tradify accounts and 800 on Lucid accounts. One trade a day. You guys know the fucking rules. Nothing much to it besides that. Am I upset with this loss? No, I'm not upset with any losses because I know that if I take a loss, it should be because of price action and not because of poor judgment. So the fact that ES took out my draws means my draws were correct. So I'm not upset about my trade. I'm a little weirded out by price action. Besides that, overall, very weird day in the market. Do I like shorts? I don't like shorts whatsoever. I think the draw is higher. I think this 3-minute inverse was nice to London lows because we did have London lows. So I thought this 3-minute inversion was nice because at this point in time, we're rejecting a 1-hour order block and we have a SMT at these highs, right? So that's not terrible, but overall, not a fan of the way price moved in general. Other trades that might have been clean today, right? This was my loss. Could have been, not much. We just have an hourly order block and the second 4-hour gap. And I believe we might have an SMT as well. Why don't we just swap them? This could be low of day. This could very well be low of day. And we just push higher on both assets right now. But yeah, besides that, I didn't take any trades on anything else. Got no trades on evals with Alpha Capital or Top Step. Just because I want more volatility in the market to be able to trade my evals. You guys know I trade those aggressively. I'm not going to trade evals in a 15-point range. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this trade, feel free. I believe I am launching the mentorship today. Getting the final things ready. A lot of you guys were asking to be mentored by me. I'm just finalizing oh, yep, low of day. Wow. I'm finalizing everything for you guys right now. So I make sure the launch goes well. But if you guys are interested for signing up, peep my Instagram or my TikTok later. And I will leave the bio in the description for you guys to make sure you can sign up for that. So yeah, hope you guys have a great fucking day. Any questions, just comment. I'll be there to answer. I hope you guys have a great fucking day. And I'll see you boys tomorrow, all right? Peace out.